Hello friends, let us solve one more problem on ultimate bearing capacity on cohesive soils. Okay. First read the problem. What is given? Find the safe bearing capacity of circular footing 2-meter diameter at a depth of 2.5 meter on cohesive soil having cohesion 100 kilonewton per meter square. Consider gamma equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube and also factor of safety given as 2. So what they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find the safe bearing capacity. What is meant by safe bearing capacity? What you will represent it? Qs. So how do you find out that? That will be equal to, what you will say? Qns plus gamma into D. Isn't it? So what is meant by Qns? That will be equal to Qnu divided by factor of safety. So from this, how you will find the Qnu? That will be equal to Qu minus gamma into D. Okay. Now, which type of footing it is? Circular footing. If it is a circular footing, if you recall the equations, and if you go through here, it is of a cohesive soil. If it is a purely cohesive soil, we have written that it is independent of the depth of the footing. So if you recall the equation Q and U, that will be nothing but a C and C. This is for continuous footing. But what they are given in the question, they are given it as for circular footing. If you want the circular footing, multiply with the factor. How much? 1.3 C into NC. This is what the magnitude of Q and U. This is for circular footing. I think C value is given directly how much? 100. And NC we have to by heart it how much? 5.7. So 1.3 into 100 into 5.7. So if you find out this, you will get ultimate bearing capacity as 741. What is the unit of C? Kilonewton per meter square. From this, what is the safe bearing capacity? Net safe bearing capacity, that can be written as Qnu divided by 2. That will be equal to 741 divided by 2. How much you are getting? You are getting around 370.5 kilonewton per meter square. But what we have to find? We have to find safe bearing capacity. Safe bearing capacity is nothing but a net safe bearing capacity plus gamma into D. What is the net safe bearing capacity? 370.5 plus what is the gamma value considered? 20. What is the depth of the footing given? The depth of the footing given is 2.5 meter. So multiply by 2.5. 2.5 into 20. How much? 50. 50 plus 370. You will get it around 420.5 kilonewton per meter square. This is what nothing but a Q is. You know how many options will be there in the question? 4, right? In option A, let us assume 420.5. In option B, they will given it as 370.5. In option C, they will given as 471 kilonewton per meter square every value. And in another option, they will be given as 791 kilonewton per meter square. This is for ultimate bearing capacity, net ultimate bearing capacity, safe net bearing capacity, safe bearing capacity. See, they will give you all the options corresponding to different bearing capacities, but depending upon the question, you have to pick up the correct answer. What they are asking? They are asking us to find the safe bearing capacity. So what will be the answer? 420.5. So before selecting the answer, we have to first see they are asking which bearing capacity. That only we have to submit it. Okay. In a hurry, and sometimes what we'll do, we'll just find out the ultimate bearing capacity and we'll pick up the answer. That option also will be there in the exam. So that's why most of the people will get the negative marking. So before submitting the answer, first cross check. They are asking which bearing capacity and then submit it. Okay. Thank you.